Iran Power Plant Repairs Company is one of the valuable resources of the country's power industries by having a workshop over 26,400 square meters on a 50,000 square meters plot of land is located at 7th kilometer Malard Road, Alborz province. This company, which is one of the affiliated companies of Ministry of Energy, was established in 1981 under the name of Fundamental Management of Tawani Repairs, whose goal is to support the production of sustainable electricity with the policy of specialized repairs and also be present at the front line of power plants repairs. After several periods of changes, the name of the company was finally changed to Iran Power Plant Repairs Company in 2002. Now, Iran Power Plant Repairs Company, more dynamic than before and with a competitive strategic look at the regional and international levels with its experienced specialists in the country's power industry, continues its activities to achieve self-sufficiency and meet national requirements. During several decades of its activities, this company has successfully accomplished countless power plant projects inside the country and neighboring countries, whose results are acquiring highly precious experiences for the company. The existence of these unique experiences as national assets, especially in the range of basic power plant repairs, petrochemical units, refineries, and other industries is considerable. The most important activities of Iran Power Plant Repairs Company regarding basic and specialized repairs of power plant units are reconstruction and upgrade, manufacturing equipment, operating and maintaining power plant units, oil, gas, petrochemical, refinery, cement, sugar, and rail industries. Iran Power Plant Repairs Company is the first specialized power plant repairs and maintenance company in the region and a leading company considering its management and technical background compared to other activists in this arena. In addition to technical commitments, this company is committed to preserving the environment values, health and safety, quality and respecting customers' rights. Therefore, this company has achieved ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 18001 and uses PMBOK and ISO 21500-2012 to manage its project. This company offers its services in the form of executive units of engineering, mechanic and manufacturing, electric and projects that are as follows. Mechanic and manufacturing activities. Fundamental repairs, upgrading and maintaining types of compressor rotors and steam and gas turbines. Assembling and disassembling, replacing types of parts and blades of all turbines and steam and gas compressors in the rotors workshops. Dynamic low-speed balancing up to 500 RPM with a capacity of 13 tons and dynamic high-speed balancing up to 3,000 RPM in vacuum with the capacity of 20 to 80 tons and overspeed test up to 7,200 RPM for all types of turbines, compressors and generators with a maximum length of 15 meters in the overspeed balance workshop. Reverse engineering including different steps of engineering measurement, modeling, manufacturing parts, steam turbines blades and steam and gas compressors, Curtis wheels and stop shaft used in power plant industries. Performing complete identifying tests and studying materials, destructive and non-destructive tests to determine the parts defects and evaluating the remaining life. Complete manufacturing of steam turbine rotors in the mechanic workshop. Different methods of welding and thermal operations of types of metals and alloy groups in the mechanic workshop. Electric unit activities. reconstructing and performing basic repairs of different types of generators and high-voltage electromotors in the generator workshop, manufacturing and repairing stator cores and electromotors in the generator workshop, manufacturing types of copper bars at the world quality level in the generator workshop, overhauling of different types of generator rotors, assembling and disassembling, reconstructing, performing periodical and overhauling of types of power transformers, shell and core types, and reactors. Repairing and installing tap changers, overhauling and replacing core plates, treating oil and drying transformers by spraying oil and VPDP furnace with a capacity of 300 tons in the transformer workshop. Manufacturing transformer coils up to 400 kV. Extrusion and cold rolling types of wires and copper connectors to the coil workshop. Electric tests of different types of generators, transformers, reactors, electromotors, and high-voltage equipment in the test workshop. Research and Engineering Technical Unit. Activities of Research and Engineering Technical Unit are as follows. Connection with the employer's technical section in order to exchange technical knowledge and upgrading engineering output documents and matching them with the standard requirements. Designing and manufacturing auxiliary, facilitating and precise equipment of repairs and services. Studying international standards of manufacture and repairs in order to localize and implement them in the company. Studying new operational methods for improving work and time processes to optimize manufacturing and repairing projects. Equipment. The availability of efficient equipment proportional to the requirement of the power plant industries along with the experience and technical competence of the personnel has changed this company to the pole of power plant engineering, repair and maintenance in the country that is unique in the region. The equipment in each section is as follows. Mechanic and Manufacturing Unit. Types of light and heavy lathe machines with different sizes and weights for any kind of lathing. Equipment for dynamic balancing different types of rotary equipment with the capacity of up to 80 tons by providing vacuum conditions. Assembling and disassembling equipment for all types of turbines, compressors, and generators. Advanced laboratory equipment for materials and destructive and non-destructive tests. Fixed and portable CMM precise measuring equipment. Equipment for blading and taking their momentum to be installed in turbines and compressors. CNC machinery including 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis. Electric unit. Different types of equipment for vertical and horizontal windings for different types of transformers with different capacities. Drawing, forming and cold rolling of different types of copper connectors and wires. VPDP furnace for dehumidifying insulators of the active parts with the capacity of 300 tons of weight. Complete equipment for overhauling of generator and power transformers. High voltage equipped laboratory with the specialist equipment for testing of generators and transformers. Complete equipment for manufacturing copper bars of power plant generators with different capacities. BPI furnace for injecting resin for manufacturing stator coils. project unit. The activities of the project unit that includes the repairs of rotary equipment in the employer's side are as follows. Overhauling of different types of gas units, upgrading V94.2 gas units to V94.2/5 and V94.3 gas turbines. Performing destructive and non-destructive tests on assembled and disassembled parts of steam and gas turbines. Analyzing vibrations and correctional maintenance of steam and gas turbines. Overhauling of electric equipment and instruments. Overhauling of rotary system guards. Overhauling of power plant auxiliary system. Overhauling of power plant site systems. Overhauling of parts of electric motors. Inspecting and performing fundamental repairs of pumps and valves. Performing periodical repair and maintenance of power plant units. Partnership in overhaul supervision of Bhushan power plant steam turbines. Installing gas, steam, water, and combined cycle units based on manufacturer's instructions. Simultaneous performing of more than 15 different projects at the employer's sites out of the company. Mission, scope, and eminent objective of the company. Promoting customer satisfaction. Promoting personnel's scientific and technical knowledge. Promoting the quality of engineering and technical standard services, repairs, maintenance, manufacturing, and installing equipment in the scope of energy. A leading organization at national and regional levels in repair and engineering services through using modern technologies and spreading specialized activities in energy scope. Maintaining the existence, growth and development of technology, sustainable development, and improving our work conditions, glory and prosperity of the company.